Roofing experts in Shelby Township, MI, are your go-to professionals for all your roofing needs. Whether you require roof replacement, roof installation, or roof maintenance, our Roofing Contractor Shelby Twp team is ready to provide top-notch roofing services. We specialize in shingle roofing, metal roofing, and flat roofing, ensuring that your home or business is protected with the best roofing materials available. For those in need of roof replacement in Shelby Twp, our roofing company offers comprehensive roofing solutions tailored to your specific requirements. Our roofing consultation services help you make informed decisions, and our roofing estimates provide transparency and peace of mind. We understand the importance of roofing safety and adhere to the highest standards to ensure a secure and efficient roofing process. Emergency roofing services in Shelby Township, MI are available for urgent situations. Our team is equipped to handle roof leak replacement and other emergency roofing needs promptly. We also offer roof waterproofing and roof restoration services to extend the life of your roof and protect your investment. Gutter installation in Shelby Township is another essential service we provide. Proper roof ventilation and gutter systems are crucial for maintaining the integrity of your roof. Our roofing experts in Shelby Twp, MI ensure that your roof ventilation and gutter installation are done correctly to prevent future issues. Roof cleaning and roof inspection in Shelby Township, MI are vital for maintaining the health of your roof. Regular roof maintenance and inspections can prevent costly replacements and extend the lifespan of your roofing system. Our roofing company in Shelby Township, MI offers comprehensive roof cleaning and inspection services to keep your roof in optimal condition. Our roofing warranty in Shelby Twp, MI provides added assurance that your roofing investment is protected. We stand by the quality of our work and the durability of our roofing materials. Whether you need a new roof installation or a simple roof replacement in Shelby Twp, Michigan, our roofing contractor Shelby Twp is committed to delivering exceptional results. For those considering shingle roofing in Shelby Township, our roofing company offers a wide range of options to suit your style and budget. Metal roofing in Shelby Twp, MI is another popular choice for its durability and energy efficiency. Flat roofing in Shelby Township, Michigan is ideal for commercial properties, and our team has the expertise to handle any flat roofing project. Roofing solutions in Shelby Township are designed to meet the unique needs of each client. Our roofing services in Shelby Twp, Michigan are comprehensive, covering everything from initial consultation to final installation. Trust our roofing experts in Shelby Twp, MI to deliver the highest quality roofing services in the area. Roofing materials in Shelby Township, Michigan are selected for their quality and performance. Our roofing contractor Shelby Twp, MI sources the best materials to ensure long-lasting results. Whether you need roof replacement, roof installation, or roof maintenance, our team is dedicated to providing the best roofing solutions in Shelby Township. Roofing safety in Shelby Twp is a top priority for our roofing company. We adhere to strict safety protocols to protect our workers and clients. Our commitment to safety ensures that every roofing project is completed without incident, providing peace of mind.